Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to get started with Doordash but you keep getting the dreaded unable to verify identity error, don't worry. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in 2025. First, close out of the Doordash app completely. Next, open your web browser and do simple Google search for Doordash support. This will bring up all the different support options Doordash offers. You'll see links for customer support, dashboard, or Dasher support, and merchant support. Since you are a Dasher, go ahead and click on Dasher support. Now scroll down to the page until you find the option that says chat with us in the Dasher app or call us. Pick whichever option works best for you. Once connected, clearly explain that you're having issues verifying your identity. The support team should guide you through the next steps. Another super important tip is to make sure the photos of your ID or documents are clear, well lit, and not blurry. Low quality uploads are one of the most common reasons the systems can't verify your identity. So, to recap, close the app, search and contact Dasha support via chat or call, upload clear, high quality photos of your ID. That should help you get past the verification issues and on the road in no time. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.